And here is why we come to northern Michigan. Yep. Just get the fish to bite now, we'll be okay. But yeah, there's some of that color I was hoping to find yesterday. Yeah. And this here, yeah, that guy. I've known him for a long time. It's my son Dale. Yeah, just a peaceful day with the ravens chirping at us, the sun glinting off the water. Morning and first full day up here. Looking forward to it. Nice and Dale.
Woo, buddy.
What do we got? 2.5 pounds?
That's a good one.
Yeah. Too bad my camera wouldn't come on to where I could catch it. Catching it. Yeah. That'll work. It's bigger than that little miniature thing I caught.
Yeah, man, just get the hook out of him. He swallowed that thing. Thought I had him.
Hey, Dale.
Yep.
If you put more pressure on his jaw, turn his jaw, your hand, there you go. That may help. That is a nice fish. Do you need help?
No. Be a great video of how not to dehook a fish.
You're doing okay. He's got her deep.
He does.
Luckily, it's just a single hook. And you're going to get it out. I'm going to turn away here for just a second. In fact, I'm just going to shut this. Yeah, there we go.
It's a good one.
Yeah. What do we got? 18 inches?
Yeah, I got
17, 18 inches?
He is 17 and a half.
What a good guess, huh?
He's fun. He fought.
There you go.
All right, buddy.
Upper Peninsula Michigan smallies. What fun. With a depth finder telling us we're on the shore.
Yeah, you want to watch?
Yeah. Not quite as big, but still bigger than that one I caught earlier. Yeah.
He's a little guy.
Yeah, maybe 12.
Well, actually, he is 13.
He made it all the way.
Made it.
It's amazing how much difference there is in the fish between a 13 and a 17
Oh my goodness,
inch.
yeah.
Yeah, cool. Well, if that set of stairs over there looks picturesque to you, it is. And trust me, there's 117 of them. I know because I counted them. That's actually Dale and Liz's frontage on the pond here. And neat place. A lot of fun. Dale's having pretty good luck with a bass worm. So much so that I'm gonna make him take me into town sometime tonight. Pick up some of those rigs myself. And yeah, I caught one little smallmouth earlier in the day. And nowhere near as big as the two that Dale's caught. That one that Dale caught was nice size fish. The second one wasn't bad, but it wasn't anywhere near as big as what the first one was. So he's still working on it. He's working hard. And I don't know if you saw that cast or not, but he's right off the end of that dock over there. Let's see if he comes up with anything. Yep. Not so far. We're at the end of a heat wave here, so that may have a little bit of influence upon what we're being able to achieve here. Dale, did you notice that those people there have bobbers set up on their poles? So evidently they do some crappie fishing. Yeah, it's just beautiful out here. This is so cool. Sun shining. Got just enough breeze that it makes things active, keeps things interesting. Dale loves how it messes around with his boat settings. Yeah, he's doing a good job with that. So here we are, still out on the water, enjoying every minute of it. But you're still getting.
Massive. Too funny.
That may even be smaller than what I caught earlier.
It is.
Well, that's it for the fishing today. Dale caught, what, 3 or 4, at least 3, if not 4. Had a couple on that challenged him a little bit. I got one in the boat, had another one so close to the boat that it could have jumped in. But it had a chaser, shadow, trailing it. And so I played with it a little bit and ended up losing it. If I'd been serious about getting that one in, it would not. It should have came into the boat. But on the other hand, it was small enough that the immediate catch and release was not bad at all. But yeah, so that was my box. That's Dale's box. We threw just about everything we could at him today. Didn't have a bad day, just didn't have the best day we've ever had. Dale's got the Minn Kota up, about ready to pull on his 15 horsepower and 4-stroke Mercury. And we are about to go put this show back in the road. But who wouldn't want to come do this? This is good stuff. I have enjoyed the day. We're gonna go put boats away, make a quick trip into town. And Dale's got some obligations he's gonna take care of this evening. And we'll go from there. We'll see what all might transpire for us here yet today.